Honda Wave 125 มิติใหม่ของรถครอบครัวทันสมัย
Yeah, you heard that right. This time, we decided to buy a motorcycle. It's a 2002 Honda Wave 125S, powered by an air-cooled 125cc single overhead cam carbureted engine. It comes with a standard drum brakes for both wheels or the optional disc brake for the front. They said that this model has the highest power among motorcycles in the 4-stroke family during its time. So this is what we bought. It was offered to us extremely cheap, and that really convinced us to buy it. The owner said that it has some minimal problems like leaking seals, missing parts, particularly the head, and so on. It was an unexpected decision that we bought this because it is really cheap and we were thinking of buying a motorcycle before. So we are the third owner of this motorcycle. The first owner kept it broken and stuck for a long time until it gave up and sold it to the second owner. The second owner bought it and tried to improve it, but still there's some casualties in its modification and usage of this motorcycle. As you can see, there's an oil leak which is from the drain bolt. I tried to tighten it, but it won't work because the threads of the block itself is broken, and that is a serious problem. The electrical system of the motorcycle doesn't work. The rear shock mounting has the same problem as the drain bolt. It has a broken threads too, which is pretty dangerous. The wirings are messed up and we have no clue on where the other parts should be. I will upload a short video about the highlights of assembling it. First, I need to make it roadworthy to pass the registration and eventually building it to what we want it to be. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and click the bell to keep you updated. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless.